Thanks for joining us for an episode in our series about restoration and archaeology at Somerset Place. After archaeologists and engineers studied the foundation of the Collins home and determined what renovations were needed to stabilize it, the state contracted with an outside firm to restore the building in a two-phase project. In all cases during both phases, care was taken during disassembly to preserve as much historic fabric as possible. Phase 1 ran from September 2011 to October 2012, when workers removed the first floor porches and replaced the crumbling foundation with concrete masonry to prevent further settling. They also installed brick facing with a blend of two different handmade bricks to closely match the house's original exterior appearance. Contractors later used these same bricks for other repairs in Phase 2, which ran from June 2013 to January 2014. The second phase focused on restoring the exterior and interior of the building. On the outside, crew members restored the brick walkways and drainage system around the house, repointed the chimneys, and capped the tops of the brick chimneys. The porches were extensively repaired, especially on the first floor. Workers installed two new porch roofs, replaced 5 columns, repaired the framing, put in new decking, installed new ceilings, and restored or replaced broken handrails. As part of the site's commitment to accessibility, contractors also built a handicapped ramp for visitors with mobility issues to access the first floor. Lastly, the original windows and doors, as well as the replacement shutters, were fully restored to operational use, and the exterior was repainted. On the inside, laborers patched some of the flooring, repaired minor plaster damage, repainted the trim work and the faux marble on the stairs, and painted the walls in a variety of period-appropriate colors based on the function of each room. They also repaired the brick fireboxes and marble fireplace surrounds and hearths, replaced the attic door, and installed a new HVAC system. With restorations complete, the Collins home was officially reopened to the public during a program on May 23, 2014. And you can see the restored home for yourself as part of our guided site tour, offered upon request at the Visitor Center Tuesday through Saturday. We hope you'll join us to learn more about enslaved and free life on one of North Carolina's largest antebellum plantations. Thanks for watching.